Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software. I frequently use this program to do my 3D and 2D animations. But when I used it, I realized something which was slowing down my workflow. There was no way to directly replace meshes. To replace a mesh, I would have to go through a series of menus which was drastically slow. So as you can see here, I have to first delete the mesh, then go through this menu, which I have to then look for the mesh that I want to replace it with, and then I have to find it and then start doing my work. Now this is very slow, so I made a feature that I call mesh operations, which completely erases the need for you to go through the menus and deleting the mesh. So I'm just going to enable it. Okay, so now as you can see, I can now, instead of deleting the mesh and then going through the menus, I have these buttons here, which you can replace the mesh with a sphere or a grid. And there's also an option to delete the mesh. Now when you replace the mesh with a sphere, it automatically adds 2 levels of subdivision to just for convenience. And I programmed this using the Python programming language. The link for the .py file is included in the description of this video.